We've just acquired this lovely looking BMW X1 diesel. It's in beautiful condition. Unmarked smoke chrome alloy wheels. It's got the nice body styling kit on it. It's the xDrive 4-wheel drive. Rear park distance control. Boot area is in lovely condition. All black leather interior. Electric windows, electric mirrors. It's also got the added specification of factory satellite navigation, 3-stage heated seats. Start the car up. Three-stage heated seats, climate control. Satellite navigation, we've got DAB radio, media pack, Bluetooth connectivity, 6-speed gearbox, side drive systems all there. Eco Pro mode if you want it, AUX and a USB, automatic headlights. DJH, we do offer full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.